Good afternoon. I am Ramandeep from Delguru, Dronacharya Educational Learning Institute. Let's come and talk to these students and see whether they knows about the difference between the JEE, NEET, CLAT and the CUT examination, and do they know how the forms are being filled up and what new courses are as an option available with the CUT examination. Name,
Trisha,
your class and stream,
11th. I am from science.
and what is your career aim? What you will be doing after your 12th exam?
I plan to do engineering, nuclear engineering.
So how you will be planning for that?
I'll be giving the JEE examination.
So do you know the difference between the JEE, NEET and the CUT examination?
I think CUET focuses mainly on general knowledge and all, and JEE and NEET have a specific syllabus that you have to occur to.
Apart with that, do you know the courses and the subjects which has been there for the JEE, NEET that are same options you will get with the CUT examination also?
No, I have no idea about that.
Thank you. Hello, your good name
Ma'am, I'm Raman,
and your class and stream?
11, and I'm from science stream.
Okay, do you have any career path that what you will be doing after your 12th exams?
Yes, ma'am. I want to pursue with JEE.
Okay, so do you know if the JEE is your main aim, so what is the backup after JEE?
No, ma'am. If JEE doesn't work out, I would go with NDA.
So do you know anything about CUT?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, not that much, but yeah, I have heard about it.
What do you know about CUT?
Ma'am, I just heard about it. I don't know anything about CUET.
So do you know that if JEE is there, so whatever you are planning for the JEE, after clearing CUT also you have those options available with the CUT also?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. Your name?
Shweta.
Ma'am Vedika.
You people are from which class and stream?
Vandana International to class 12th and stream PCB, medical.
Medical.
Okay, so what is your career goal? What you people will be doing after your 12th exam?
Doctor, like we will be clearing NEET.
नीट और आफ्टर नीट इफ़ वी आर नॉट लाइक अगर हमारा नीट नहीं हुआ तो फिर CUT कॉलेज एंट्रेंस टेस्ट जो आजकल बहुत वो हो रहा है लाइक
Trend.
हाँ ट्रेंड में भी है और लाइक कोचिंग के टीचर्स ने भी सजेस्ट किया कि नीट लाइक होता नहीं है फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में मोस्टली नहीं होता है तो गो विथ CUT.
So do you know that for what is the exam pattern for the CUT?
नहीं एक्चुअली अभी तो कुछ नहीं पता क्योंकि नीट है तो नीट के लिए ही प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी.
नहीं होता तो
उसके
फिर उस
बाद-
केस में हम CUT देखेंगे कि हाँ CUT कर सकता है.
CUT की फुल फॉर्म पता है?
नहीं एक्चुअली नहीं पता.
मैंने सुना यूसी यूनियन नहीं याद पता यार एग्जैक्ट याद.
Thank you. Your name
दिवाकर सिंह गहलोत,
and your class and stream?
PCM 11th class.
Okay, so what is your career aim? What is your career aim?
To become an engineer after taking science, of course.
Okay, so how you will be planning for this?
Firstly, I will be doing my 11th and 12th grades and passing with a good grades, then probably doing JEE.
So are you doing any preparation for that?
Of course, I am.
So if you're doing with the JEE, and is there any backup plans apart the JEE?
Like, if I don't get a college, I will probably be doing maths honors because I like to do maths.
So how you will be getting the maths honors, and what will be the colleges you will be planning for that?
I don't know much about that. I mean, I have elder sister who had done maths honors, so I will be taking guideline from her.
So do you know that the maths honors subject you can get it into the Asia's best colleges that and that to be under Delhi University?
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you. Your name
शुभम प्रसाद,
and your class and stream?
PCB और and class 11th.
So have you planned that after 12th exam, which will be your colleges, what will be your career after it?
I have become a doctor. I want to become a doctor. I want to pursue NEET exam after the 12th.
Okay, so if the NEET is there, so have you made up as a backup plan?
No, yet not.
Do you have any idea regarding CUT?
CVT, we have it is an entrance exam that we have to pass and then we have a get college.
So as you want to become a doctor, do you know that the new courses that has been introduced under the CUT with the colleges to the many universities?
No.
Thank you.